The automotive world followed one simple rule for decades. If you reached the top of wealth, power, and influence, you bought a Mercedes-Maybach S680. It came with a massive V12 engine, deep chrome details, soft leather, and real polished wood. When a Maybach arrived, people noticed without asking questions. It represented old money, legacy, and authority. The person inside didn't just have money, they had history. But today, that order is changing fast. And the challenge is not coming from another German brand. It is coming from a technology giant. This is not just a new luxury car. This is a direct attack on traditional luxury thinking. The Maextro S800 is the first serious attempt by Huawei and JAC to replace the king of the luxury car world. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are aiming for 55,000 subscribers, and your support is what keeps this kind of content alive. For people who believe brand history can never be beaten, the truth is simple. Cars are no longer just about engines, cylinders, and horsepower. Today, the real battle is software, data, and intelligence. The Maybach S680 is beautiful, but it belongs to an older, analog world. The Maextro S800 feels like a supercomputer on wheels. It does not depend on history, it is focused on what comes next. This proves something very important. You no longer need 100 years of experience to build the most advanced luxury car. You need the right technology and a clear vision. Presence still matters in luxury, and this is where the S800 immediately shocks people. It is around 5.5 meters long with a huge wheelbase, making it longer and wider than the flagship S-Class Maybach. When both cars stand next to each other, something feels different. For the first time, the Maybach looks slightly smaller. The Maextro S800 feels like a private jet placed on the road. This is not just a car you drive, it is a space you control. A clear sign that luxury power is slowly moving toward the east. But size alone does not create dominance. Intelligence does. While traditional brands are still improving basic infotainment systems, Huawei built the S800 as part of a smart ecosystem. The car connects with your phone, your home, and your daily routine. It understands your habits and preferences. The Maybach is a great machine. The Maextro S800 is a smart machine. And in today's world, intelligence carries more power than tradition. The difference becomes even clearer when you look at design. The Maybach has a classic chrome grille that looks elegant but unchanged for years. The Maextro S800 uses a modern digital design language. When it is parked, it looks calm and solid, but as you walk toward it, thousands of small LEDs light up in a smooth, cinematic pattern. It feels like the car is waking up to welcome you. Compared to this, the Maybach's lighting feels old-fashioned and static. This lighting experience continues all around the car. The rear lights stretch across the back and glow like a moving galaxy at night. Even the door handles softly light up when you approach. This is not just about seeing the road, it is about creating emotion before you even sit inside. Next to this, the Maybach feels like traditional art, while the Maextro S800 feels like modern digital cinema. Opening the door shows another major difference. The Maybach has soft-closed doors which feel premium. The Maextro S800 has smart doors. Using sensors and cameras, the car checks for bicycles, walls, or objects nearby. If something is in the way, the door stops automatically. This protects the car and the people around it. You are not just opening a door, the car is thinking ahead for you. Despite its large size, the Maextro S800 moves through the air smoothly and quietly. Its shape is designed to reduce wind resistance, which means less noise and better efficiency. The Maybach uses engine power to push through the air. The S800 uses smart design to glide through it. Even the wheels keep the logo straight while driving, a small detail that shows precision and attention. Inside the Maybach, you feel like you are staying in a very expensive classic hotel. Everything is comfortable and well-made, but familiar. Inside the Maextro S800, it feels like stepping into a private jet. The dashboard is made of large connected screens running Huawei's latest system. Everything responds instantly. Compared to this, the Maybach system can feel slower and more traditional. The real difference appears in the back seats. In a Maybach, you sit comfortably. In the Maextro S800, you relax in zero-gravity seats. They recline deeply and offer massage and heating. The front passenger seat can move away to create extra legroom. These seats are designed to help you rest, not just sit. With a single touch, the windows darken almost completely. The roof lighting dims. A large screen drops down from the ceiling. The rear of the car becomes a private cinema. The Maybach gives you small screens. The Maextro S800 gives you a full movie experience. The sound system takes things even further. One passenger can watch a movie while another makes a quiet business call without disturbing each other. Even the driver cannot hear private conversations clearly. This level of privacy is extremely rare in cars and shows how deeply the S800 focuses on personal space. Material quality inside the cabin is also very high. Soft leather, carefully matched wood, and a built-in refrigerator that can cool drinks or keep tea warm. The air inside can be scented based on your choice. Everything is designed to reduce stress and create calm. This is where something interesting happens. The Maextro S800 does not feel like it was designed only by car engineers. It feels like it was designed by people who understand human behavior. Every light, every sound, every screen is placed to control your mood in a subtle way. The car makes you feel relaxed before you even realize you were tense. Traditional luxury focuses on comfort. The S800 focuses on your mind. And once luxury becomes emotional instead of mechanical, there is no turning back. Driving the Maextro S800 is easier than expected. Rear-wheel steering helps the car turn smoothly in tight spaces. It can even move sideways using crab walk mode, making parking simple and stress-free. The car also scans the road ahead and adjusts the suspension before hitting bumps. You do not feel bad roads at all. In many cases, you don't even know the bump existed. When it comes to power, the difference between past and future is very clear. The Maybach uses a strong V12 engine, but it takes time to respond. The Maextro S800 uses electric motors that deliver power instantly and silently. It accelerates smoothly without noise or effort. Range is not a problem either. The extended range version can travel over 1,200 kilometers. Fast charging adds a large amount of range in just a few minutes. Long trips become easy and uninterrupted. Now comes the moment that truly changes everything. A fully loaded Maybach S680 can cost more than $240,000. The Maextro S800, with more space, more technology, and more intelligence, costs around $140,000. You are getting far more for far less money. This is why powerful and famous people are paying attention. When someone like Jet Li chooses the Maextro S800, it sends a clear message. Luxury is changing. People are no longer impressed only by old history. They want intelligence, control, and future-ready technology. And the biggest question is not whether the Maextro S800 is better than the Maybach S680. The real question is, what happens next? This is Huawei's first serious luxury car. Technology improves every few months, not every few years. Today, it challenges Maybach. Tomorrow, it could challenge Rolls-Royce and Bentley. Luxury is no longer about where you came from. It is about where you are going. And that future has already begun.